Hello, I am September Ann Mackenzie, founder of the non-violent movement known as hand jobbing. Hand jobbing is a way of living where everyday jobs such as cutting or shredding are replaced by the tools that Mother Nature provides, your very own hands. By utilizing your own loving hands in place of normalized weapons found in most homes, such as knives, forks, or scissors, we can transform danger and violence into loving energy to accomplish everyday tasks. Believe it or not, no job is too big nor too small for these hands. Today we will be making a mindful connection summer salad with produce that I have chosen with my own hands at the farmer's market. You will need a cucumber, a tomato, an onion, a corn, cilantro, salt, pepper, olive oil, apple cider vinegar. Unfortunately, the hand does not work like a knife, so we use it to break apart. This one's very tough to break. It's hard, very hard to break off. Suppose you use something like your fingernails and you make a few incisions here and perhaps, well, no, it's not working either, so I'm just going to apply some pressure here. Or you can chew it. And cut it with your teeth. And probably only good if you make the salad just for yourself. Yes, that works. If it's too hard, you'll just bite on it. I suppose once you bite down on it, you can just start breaking it off. Next. Tomatoes. Now this one should be easy because it's very soft as compared to the cucumber. So this one is very soft, this one is very hard. This one's hard unless you chew it. There's your tomato. Break into chunks, lots of juice just coming out. Next, the onion. It's neither hard nor soft. This one is a bit hard actually. You would just peel the layers. This one's an easy one for the hands. Not all hand jobs are easy, but this onion makes it easy. It's like unwrapping a gift. It's like my birthday. It's not really my birthday, but quite fun. Unlike my birthday, this one is going to have a happy ending. I didn't have quite the great birthday last year. You can have great days every day, but you can have delicious food made by your own hands. Now, it's more of a rustic feel because it is a hand job. Next up is right off the cob, as you can see. This one is a bit tricky and I feel like you might be inclined to bite it off. Yes, as you can see, quickly I've gotten quite a few off with a move of my mouth over the kernels. Once you have that started, if you don't feel comfortable with your mouth, you can start pulling them off. I love some herbs. I've selected some cilantro. You just peel it off and shred it with your hands like this. Season it a bit, salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, just a touch of this. You could also squeeze a lemon, lube it up with some extra virgin olive oil. Then you just mix it up and there you go. A beautiful, colorful salad made only by your hands, grown probably by hands, brought to you by hands, and made with hands. And this is the beauty and the loving energy of our hand jobbing movement. Just to show you how lovely it tastes, I'm going to take a small bite. Of course, I don't need utensils. Crunchy, juicy, and I can really feel the love. It's just simply delicious. Hand jobbing, yes, you can do it. It does take some time, but not all hand jobs are so easy. It does require skill, practice, and love, the point of this whole practice. Like, subscribe, follow, and comment below on this beautiful salad. I hope you make it. Peace and love to all of you.